Welcome students to your English class. Today we will be continuing with chapter 8 from your grammar book. In our previous class we have done verbs and its types. I have discussed about transitive verbs. So what are transitive verbs? Verbs that must have an object or objects to complete their meaning are called transitive verbs. Today our topic of discussion will be intransitive verbs and its types. So let's get started. What are intransitive verbs? Verbs that do not require an object to complete their meaning are called intransitive verbs. Intransitive verbs do not perform an action on anyone or anything in the sentence. Example of intransitive verbs: Rita sang beautifully. Here sang is the verb. So can we answer the question sang what? No. Moreover, there is no object in the sentence. So it is an intransitive verb. If you read the verb aloud in a sentence and ask what, there will be no answer. There is no answer because there is no direct object. So the verb is intransitive. Let's have a look at some more examples of intransitive verbs. John laughed. Here laughed is the verb. So can we answer the question laughed what? No. Again the question doesn't make sense. This sentence also doesn't have a direct object. Therefore, it is an intransitive verb. The children played in the woods. Played what? Here also you will not find the answer of what. So, it is an intransitive verb. Types of intransitive verbs. There are two types of intransitive verbs. Verbs of action and verbs of being. So some of the examples of verbs of being are is, am, are, was, were, became, seem, felt, etc. etc. Verbs of action. What are verbs of action? Action verbs are verbs that specifically describe what the subject of the sentence is doing or has done. Example of verbs of action: Anthony is throwing the ball. So what action Anthony is performing? Anthony is throwing the ball. The dog ran across the road. In the summer, we will swim in our pool. Verbs of being. Verbs of being such as is, am, are do not provide information about an action but inform us about the state of being of the noun. These verbs link the subject with the rest of the sentence. We call them be-type verbs. Verbs of being are also known as incomplete verbs or linking verbs, as they link two parts of a sentence. Example of verbs of being: the tiger is the national animal of India. So the tiger is the subject, is the verb, the national animal is the complement. So both the subject and the complement in the above sentence refer to the same animal, that is the tiger. Joe is a clown. Here Joe is the subject, is the verb. Here Joe is the subject, a clown tells more about the subject, that is Joe. The word is links Joe to the clown. They are happy. They is the subject, are is the verb, happy gives information about the subject they. So let's recapitulate what we have learned today. What are intransitive verbs? Intransitive verbs are verbs that do not take an object. Intransitive verbs are of two types: verbs of action, verbs of being. The verb that indicates an action without the requirement of any object is called a verb of action. The verb that expresses a state of being is called a verb of being. So your class assignment for today is you have to identify the intransitive verbs in the following sentences. Number 1. One day Vidyasagar visited an English officer. Is it transitive verb or intransitive verb? Yes, children, please tell the answer. Yes, the answer will be transitive verb. Your verb is visited. English officer is the object. Number 2. Vidyasagar was insulted. The transitive verb or intransitive verb? Do we find any object here? No. So definitely it will be intransitive verb. Number 3. Meeta opens the door. So the answer will be transitive. Opens is the verb, the door is the object. John sleeps early. Sleeps is the verb. So here also we don't find any object. So the answer will be intransitive verb. Yes. Your home assignment. What are intransitive verbs? Give examples. How many types of intransitive verbs are there? Name them with examples. So I hope you all have understood what are intransitive verbs and its types. So this much for today. I'll be back in the next class. Till then, stay at home, be safe. Thank you everyone.